Making these gorgeous crusty baguettes is so much simpler than you might think. You start by mixing up a really simple dough, which is flour, water, a few extra ingredients. This is yeast bread dough. Mix it up, and then you're going to do those stretch and folds a few times, but then you just tuck it away in your fridge overnight. That cold fermentation is where the magic happens. It gives the gluten time to develop. You divide that into 3 pieces, and then here's how you shape a baguette. I like to pat them out into a bit of a triangle, and then they're going to rise here on your countertop to warm up just a little bit. The cold dough is pretty easy to work with. You just stretch them out, cover them with a towel, leave them there for about an hour, 45 minutes, and then they're puffy and soft, and you're going to make your baguettes. So here's one piece. You stretch it out to a bigger triangle, and then you're going to fold it over into thirds. All of this helps with that gluten development, and it's what makes it have the nice air holes and have that great texture. So that's how we shape the baguette. Just pinch the seams, roll it out. We're going to taper the ends. I do love a baguette pan for this. I don't do a lot of specialty pans, but this really helps with the texture. I put it on there. You repeat with your other pieces of dough. Cover it and let it rise again. And then we're going to bake it off. You bake it in a really hot oven. You can score down the middle or you can do slashes. My razor blade's a little dull here, but a nice slash will go a long way. You bake them off in a really hot oven and they are crispy, crunchy, baguette perfection.